The market opens. In minutes. You've already been awake for hours. 3 screens, glowing in the dark. Coffee, gone cold. Inbox, already full. You are 23. Your salary looks big until you see the debt. So, you work. You build. You fix. You learn. Faster than you thought possible. One morning, you catch it. A number. Wrong. Small on the surface. Massive underneath. You pause. You fix it. Quietly. And you say nothing. Because here, being right is not enough. Being invisible is safer. Your work moves millions, but no one knows your name. You are not the face. You are the foundation. 2 years later, you are closer. Not inside, but not outside anymore. You sit in the room. You listen. You learn. You prepare. You start building real deals. Small pieces, but real. You explain risks without hesitation. Because you've seen it before. Again and again. The numbers rise. The deal moves forward. You get paid. And you stop asking questions. Because here, you don't model consequences. Only outcomes. Now you lead. Not everything, but enough. People report to you. Mistakes become yours. You stop counting hours. You count deals. You close your first real deal. Your name is not in front, but in the room. They look at you, and that changes everything. You start to see it clearly. This is not about good or bad. This is about what works and what closes. Now the calls come to you. Deals start because of you. You are not selling numbers anymore. You are selling confidence. You know things before others do. Not to act, but to position. Timing becomes everything. And sometimes you still lose. Not because you were wrong, because someone else was closer. Now you are the connection. The relationship is the business. Decisions are no longer clean. They are strategic. They are political. You move constantly, city to city, meeting people who never introduce themselves twice. And you realize money follows trust, not logic. You stop thinking in months. You think in years. Every decision carries weight, because now it is yours. The deals get bigger. The silence gets louder. You win, but it feels different now. Less noise, more responsibility. You are no longer reacting. You are influencing. Your decisions move things, quietly, but completely. The numbers grow. The impact spreads, but you don't see it anymore. Only results. Only returns. Titles fade. Names remain. You don't chase anymore. You position. Before anything begins. Fewer people, more power. Less trust, more silence. And no one to explain it to. Somewhere, a 23-year-old logs in for the first time. He thinks it's about money. He thinks effort is enough. He doesn't know yet what really matters. The screen lights up. The market opens. And the machine keeps moving.